Such rocks. In this video we will see how to create professional resume within a minute using my tips and tricks. How to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here any types of web browser in Google and type here Canva. Enter. This platform is amazing to make a presentation, social media, video, printing, production, marketing, office, and so many features are available. I already make several video using this platform, but today I am making how to make a resume within a minute. So first of all, you enter here in a login, video, poster, flyer, and here resume options are available. You just simply click here in a resume option. Using this resume option, n number of templates are available here. Which template is suitable for your expertise, accordingly you select. So suppose for example a man professional resume for you, moderate resume, sample resume, infographic resume, which resume is suitable. So we select here in the professional, see all. As a professional resume, here several templates is available. You can select which one you like accordingly. Suppose for example I select this one, and then it's very simple. You just type here your name, YouTuber, put it your education very easily. If your resume is not comfortable for the one page, you can add here add page and put it the rest of document, otherwise delete the document. So this page is final for as your expectation. Simply save here. Template is downloaded here, as well as this template save in your Canva profile. You can modify, you can update wherever you want, anytime, very easily, and share this template where exactly you want, share, and where exactly you are applying the new job or new position. So several templates are available in this website. You can use any of this and modify accordingly your qualification, your expectation, and then submit as a new company profile. It's very nice platform. You can use these tips and tricks and make your resume within a minute.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.